Hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to talk about intrusive thoughts. Now intrusive thoughts are thoughts that seem to be stuck in your mind. They can cause distress since the nature of the thought might be upsetting. They may also reoccur frequently, which can make the concern even worse. Now intrusive thoughts may be violent or disturbing. They may be thoughts of a sexual nature, including fantasies. They can also be about behaviors you find unacceptable and abhorrent. Now, these thoughts, however, are just thoughts. They seemingly appear out of nowhere and cause anxiety, but they have no meaning in your life. They are not warning messages or red flags, they are simply thoughts. What gives them power is that those who experience them become worried about their significance. People may fixate on them and become ashamed, intent on keeping them secret from others. Now, as long as you recognize that these are thoughts only and you have no desire to act on them, intrusive thoughts aren't harmful. Now, what conditions include intrusive thoughts? Now, anyone can experience intrusive thoughts, like as per the data, more than 6 million people in the United States may experience them, and many more people may not report them to their doctors or therapists. Intrusive thoughts aren't always the result of an underlying condition. They're also not likely to indicate you have a problem that requires medical attention. However, for some people, intrusive thoughts can be a symptom of a mental health condition. For example, obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. Now, it occurs when intrusive thoughts become uncontrollable. Now, these intrusive thoughts or obsessions may cause you to repeat behaviors or compulsions in the hope that you can end the thoughts and prevent them from occurring in the future. Now, examples of this type of intrusive thought include worrying about locking doors and turning off ovens or fearing bacteria on surfaces. A person with OCD may develop a routine of checking and rechecking locks several times or washing their hands multiple times a day. In both cases, this is an unhealthy result that interferes with their quality of life. Another condition might be post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. People with PTSD often experience intrusive thoughts that may be connected to a traumatic event. These thoughts may trigger some of the physical symptoms of PTSD, such as increased heart rate and sweating. In some cases, these thoughts can be so severe that they lead to flashbacks and intense psychological distress. Another condition could be eating disorders. Now, people who have developed an eating disorder may experience intrusive thoughts that are harmful to their mental health. The thoughts can eventually damage their physical health as well. Now, people with an eating disorder frequently worry about the physical impact food will have on their body. That in turn leads to great distress about eating. It may also cause additional behaviors such as purging in an effort to stop the thoughts. So in the next video, we will talk about the causes and the treatment for these intrusive thoughts. Thanks for watching.